The term premium in relation to WordPress themes means that it's a theme that you pay for. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's better than a free theme, although that tends to be the case. A huge number of individuals, businesses, and marketplaces exist that sell WordPress themes as premium themes. One great example of a WordPress marketplace for premium themes is themeforest.net. On this site, we could view all of their WordPress themes. We could then hover over to get an idea of what that theme will look like. And if it's a theme that we really like, we could click on it to view more information about it, preview a demo, or purchase the theme. Another premium theme provider is the company WooThemes. Their model is a little bit different though in that they provide the option to not just sell individual themes, but have what's called a club where you could pay a fixed membership and have access to more than one theme. If you find a company whose premium themes you really like, you may find that a monthly membership fee is a better economic choice than buying individual themes. Most of the time, though, the membership theme is from a company that provides only their premium themes for sale, not multiple themes for multiple authors.